Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. If you are watching the videos continuously and haven't subscribed, subscribe it and press the bell button. So when I upload the videos, you may get the notification and you can enjoy watching it. Now we are going to see about blend curves. So what is meant by blend curves? So blend curve means there is some opens in corners. It can be joined by some curves to forming the corners, to closing the corners. Okay, it will be forming any curve. It may be of with the tangent formation or forming a smooth curve. It will be formed a curve shaped. Okay, here you can use can use this. You can use the command blend. Okay, there is two forms. One is this blend. You can use the blend command, and you can join two lines, first line and then second line. So when you select this, you will be having a tangent. Okay, this is the curve. Okay, it is with the form of control vertex. It depends upon the control vertex. It will be forming the curve. Okay, one more option, you can use the blend curve. Where is the toolbar? You need to check for that. So in the home tab, you will be having a fillet command. In there is a drop down. Click there. There is a blend curves. This is the toolbar for blend curves. For this you can connect by like this way. The same concept. Okay. If you click here, you will be forming the two vertex. See here, you will be forming the tangent for this curve. It will be with the controlled vertex. Okay, so you can mix. If you right click this arrow, you will be having fit. So by fit, you will be having the same. It will not join. Okay, it is formed by a curve. See here, the curve starts here and it forms an U shape, pin shape, and then you will be forming a curve here. This is one thing. Then other thing, again blend curve, continuity. It will be asking whether by tangent or smooth curves. The same, you can go for smooth. The same concept. It will be forming a smooth curve. Okay. If it is tangent, you can go the same. Continuity, it is tangent. It will be forming some tangent curves. Okay, this is tangent curve. This is smooth curve. There is difference. You can join the same line by tangent curve. There is difference. Could you see? So this is tangent curve. This is smooth curve. Okay, so smooth curve will be forming some curves, pin joint curves, while tangent curves, it forms a smooth curve here. Okay, this is the concept we are going for studying in blend curves. Thanks for watching the channel. If you like, press the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed it, subscribe it. You can share with the friends, and if you have any comments regarding the video, you can comment it in the comment section. Thank you.